Hi everyone, my name is Kajal and today I'm here to share my experience about Tapas's grooming sessions that I've attended during these days. So before starting, firstly I would like to thank Tapas sir for giving me this opportunity to be in that group. Secondly, let's get into the video first. So yes, I've met a lot of people during these days. Many people, fraud people actually, who claim to be genuine ones, but they aren't. Because at time they'll offer you a huge amount and just to attract you, and but you should have a big no in front of them because you're not going to make anything out of it. They'll just use you for either whatever reasons just to take money and so that. So this was the very first lesson given to us by Tapasya, that anyone who's claiming to give you a big name, big fame, big amount is of course 99.9% fake, because being a fresh model, you don't expect some brand to give you this huge amount. You need to be experienced one. So yes, another thing that I've learned is that you don't need to be very pretty, very beautiful, very tall, very slim, and all those very criterias, because we do have different requirements for different type of modeling. Like we have high fashion and modeling, wherein you need to have like quite a good height, a good physique and all the stuff. And then we have fitness model, we have plus size model. Then we have different kinds of modeling wherein you can adjust yourself. It's not like you, if you're not hydrated, you can't get into this industry. What matters most is your confidence, your grooming skills, and your professionalism, how you keep yourself in front of others, how well groomed you are, how updated you are about this industry. That what matters most. Yes, beauty matters, but not everywhere, not in everything, because yes, we do have makeup thingies these days to just enhance your beauty. But I think what matters most is your confidence. So we need to work on that. And yes, Tapas sir did arrange a lot of sessions with different people from different backgrounds, just to give us an hint like how industry works, how things work out in there, and how should we prepare ourselves to get in that industry. We gain a lot of experience for different people, good experience, bad experience, and also there are good times. And he also gives like link ups, like how we can connect to different photographers, different makeup artists, how we can get ahead in this industry. Because like in any field you go, you need to have a good mentor to get into that industry and to be successful in it. And I think Tapas sir is one of them. He's quite genuine person, and he's quite friendly, he's quite open, he's so supportive, and he does a lot for models. Like कौन करता है आजकल इतना किसी के लिए. So उसके लिए I would like to thank Tapas sir. And one thing I would like to add on last में at the end, like no one is going to do anything for you, you need to do it for yourself. लोग आपको बस रास्ता दिखा सकते हैं, काम आपको ही करना है. You need to put in your 100% to get into anything that you want to be at, what you dream about. So you need to put your 100% over there, then only there are chances that you'll be successful, because there are a lot of people and the competition is quite high. So you need to be updated, you need to be confident, you need to be happy about yourself, and be groomed, and yes, be happy.